In the night's embrace, the owl emerges, a creature of mystery and wisdom. Its haunting hoots echo through the darkness, evoking a sense of enchantment. With eyes that pierce the veil of night, it observes the world with unparalleled perception. The owl, a symbol of wisdom and insight, invites us to embrace the hidden realms and seek knowledge in the depths of silence. Let its nocturnal presence guide us through the shadows and illuminate our path with ancient wisdom. The owl, a symbol of wisdom and intuition, invites us to explore the depths of our own inner knowing. Embrace the magic of the night, as the owl's presence reminds us of the beauty that can be found in the quiet and the power of embracing our own intuition.